Play ball!
In today's sales pitch, I wanted to focus on spending time at an IT conference and getting the most out of your time. Attending an IT conference is like taking your kid to their first ball game in a major league park. You have to check off all the fun things to make it memorable for your kid, like getting their picture with the team mascot, or getting them their first hot dog, or having a player sign their autograph. Boy, that's stuff the kid's going to remember. Sure, you can take them and sit in your seat and watch the game, but that's not giving them an experience. I spent 15 years in the IT services industry before coming here to PAX 8 and being a coach, over the last 3 years. During the last 7 years in the IT services world, as an executive and running my own IT services company, I attended many IT conferences. When I first attended, I just went there for the feel to kind of see what was going on, meet some other people who were kind of going through the same thing I was. After having a few under my belt, I wanted to be more focused on what I was trying to do when I got there. This helped my MSP grow and mature. The key for attending a conference is to plan and set goals to get the most out of your experience. So let's touch all the bases on attending an IT conference, giving you an experience you will not forget. 1. Pregame. Before you go, determine what challenges you're having in your company. Plan out what sessions you'll attend to try to help fix those problems. Get those sessions on your calendar and make sure you attend them. The focus of a conference should be helping you learn things that you didn't know. 2. Stay away from the shiny objects. Plan on meeting with your existing vendors, your channel account managers, and ask them how they can help you grow your company. Let them know some of your goals. See what new solutions are available. But only plan to spend some time learning about the new solutions if they solve a problem for your business and you plan to expand that service offer. 3. Talk to your peers. Plan to meet with other IT providers who are attending these conferences. Talk to MSPs who are larger than you to find out what things they did to make them successful. Pay that forward by talking to MSPs that are looking for help, that might be smaller than you, that might be looking to get things off the ground. 4. Implement. On the plane ride home, review all the notes of the things that you learned. Prioritize and plan what things you'll want to implement when you get back home. Come up with a game plan to reach back out to the resources you learned those things from, so that way you can maybe seek to learn a little bit more. Your top 3 action items should match the top 3 things that you determined were important for your business before you left. Anything new that wowed you should be prioritized after the main action items are solved. A IT conference is an opportunity to work on your business. Try and set aside the day-to-day things that are going back on at your company. Leave that in the hands of your people, right? Let them be responsible. Maybe have a time planned during the day where you check in with a key employee just to see how things are going. Leave them in charge. Give them some leadership here. They'll survive a few days without you. This is a time for you to focus on improving your business and planning for its future growth. Now go grab a hot dog and enjoy the game.
Play ball!